रंगयाळी कार्यावळीन 54व्या आंतरराष्ट्रीय चित्रपट महोत्सवाची समाप्ती जाली। हॉलिवूड कलाकार आनी दिग्दर्शक मायकल डगलस हांचो सत्यजीत रे जिणे गौरव पुरस्कार दिवन भोवमान केलो। जाल्यार पंचायत सीझन 2 ह्या फिल्माक उत्कृष्ट OTT फिल्म पुरस्कार फावो जालो।
युनेस्को गांधी मेडल पुरस्कार ड्रिफ्ट ह्या सिनेमाक फावो जालो। ते भायर फामाद टॉलिवूड फिल्म काताराचो दिग्दर्शक ऋषभ शेट्टीक विशेष ज्युरी पुरस्कार तशेंच एंडलेस बॉर्डराक उत्कृष्ट सिनेमा पुरस्कार फावो जालो।
An honor to stand before all of you tonight and receive the Satyajit J Lifetime Achievement Award. I'm humbled to join a precarious and prestigious group of past award recipients. Ray personified what it means to be a world-class filmmaker. His films represent not only the triumphs of the Indian film industry, but the boundless potential of cross-cultural artistic expression. And with everything going on in our world today, this festival is a reminder of the magic of movie making. When you've worked in the movie business for as long as I have, it becomes clear that cinema is one of the few mediums that has the power to unite and transform us. It transcends divisions, whether that be geography, race, language, or even time. When a film touches us on a personal level and makes us laugh, cry, or rejoice, it reveals our shared humanity. And today, our global language of cinema is more meaningful than ever. मैं
आपसे बहुत
प्यार
करता हूँ। That's amazing.
चित्रपट निर्मात्यांक प्रोत्साहन दिवन गोंय चित्रपट निर्मितीचो स्वर्ग करपाचो आपलो विचार आशिल्ल्याचें मुख्यमंत्री डॉ प्रमोद सावंतान IFFIच्या समारोप सुवाळ्यांत सांगलें। गोंय हे चैतन्य आनी विविधतायेचें प्रतिबिंब जावन आशिल्ल्याचें मुख्यमंत्र्यान ह्या वेळार सांगलें।
I extend my greetings to all the winners under the different category. May you continue to inspire more and more talent. I can certainly say this 9-day cinematic extravaganza held in the state of Goa has been the journey of discovery of the celebration of artistry and a testament of the power of the storytelling. Firstly, let us have a huge round of applause to 7,000 delegates who made this festival the vibrant and diverse gathering, the more movies lovers and from all over the India and beyond. The 54th IFFI has been true reflections of the diversity and vibrancy of the cinema, showcasing the film from over the 75 countries, spanning and languages and culture. The Cinema of the World segment, hosting over the 103 films, truly exemplifies the richness and diverse of the narrative from the various culture. It has been empowering for our delegates to immerse themselves in the cinematic extravaganza, witness emerging the trends and engaging with the bright minds at the film bazaar, fostering the platform for the collaborations and discussion. The inaugural Cinemela was the celebration of the India's diverse religion, film, food and culture, understood the sense of our nation's cinematic heritage. Mr. Michael, who would love to see you bring your magic to Goa for your next project. We are eagerly extend, we welcome and lay the red carpet for you in future.
Bureau Report, Gomantak TV.